Hello everybody, this is a video on making Hoisin beef noodles by Marian's Kitchen. I'm going to be modifying it slightly because I'll be using ground turkey rather than beef, and some other modification. I didn't get a chance to get some Napa cabbage, so I'll be leaving that one out. And I'll be using low sodium soy sauce rather than the sweet soy sauce, as well as rice vinegar instead of the white vinegar. So these are the ingredients. I'll mix everything up and then start the cooking process in a few. All right, so I'm back. Now I had sliced the onions already and minced the garlic, and also here are the carrots. Now, the mistake I made was to do this by hand because I had the carrot sticks. At the store, they had already shredded carrots, and that's the easiest way to go because I tried shredding it myself, but it turned out to be the smaller pieces here. Let me pull it out. It turned out to look like that, and it's too small. But anyway, what I finally did then was to use the peeler and peeled it into slices like this. But next time, just go buy the pre-shredded carrots from Trader Joe's or wherever you get your groceries. Otherwise, I just do the peel it some more. Now, I'm doing things a little out of sequence. I'm going to boil the noodles first. Now, each one of these packets are 62 grams. It says so right here, which I'm glad they did because I wouldn't know how to measure. So the recipe calls for 250 grams. And that will mean four of these packages. So I'll be boiling that first, and then I'll be cooking the meat. So I'll be back after they are boiled. All right, so we have the noodles that have already been cooked for about 2-3 minutes, and it's drained and sitting in the pot waiting. Now I didn't rinse them, I just drained it and put it back in there. Now I didn't mention about the sauce, so I mixed up all the sauces. The Hoisin, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and soy sauce, as well as the vinegar. So that's all in there, and I think we are now ready for putting in the turkey meat. Let me put this down. Okay, so I will take the advice of Marianne, where she says to not stir it, to allow it to have the water boil off. See right here in the middle, the juices here is starting to boil. And in the past, I've had the issue that she was talking about, in that that makes it too liquidy. So I'll leave everything alone and let it cook here like this for about 5 or 6 minutes, as she suggested, and then we'll flip it over. All right, so it's been 6 minutes since I put it in, and it looks like it is charred on the edges there, but it looks like it's going to stick. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Here's the charred meat, and it is sticking. So let's toss it around and take it up. All right. All right, turn this down, then add the onions. Looks like more onions than what was in the video. So let's toss this around. So I guess that's the difference between turkey and beef. Beef will probably have more juices and possibly more flavorful. So we'll see how it turns out. Now I'll add the garlic. Okay, give it a little toss. Right, just add the carrots. And if you add the napa, we'll add the napa right now as well. Alright, so getting to look good. Wondering if we'll have room for the noodles. Probably have to put the camera down once I add the noodles, because then I have to add the sauce as well. Right, so let's put this down. I'll add the noodles and the sauce, and then we will be done. Okay, the noodles dried up. I just wet it a little bit more. And give it a mix. And let's add sauce. Alright, after stir frying it some more and using the tongs here to mix it all up, looks like it is ready. So some observations is that there is some parts that were sticking, but that's to be expected because you know, the oil kind of had blended in with the meat already, and as it was cooking, some of this got stuck. Now another observation is I may have added too many noodles because the sauce isn't as dark. So I think we need to adjust this a little bit. May have to add more sauce next time, or lessen the number of noodles. But it looks like proportion-wise, the carrots seemed like it was more than the video. The noodles seemed like it was more than the video. Maybe all we need to do is increase the sauce in order to get this darker. So we'll give it a taste test and see how it goes. Okay, after plating it and having a few bites, it tastes okay. It's not as strong a taste, although you can taste the sweetness of the hoisin, but I guess it's understandable because it looks like it is diluted and it tastes like it's diluted as well. So next time we will try and add some more of the sauce, but it turns out actually to be pretty good. So probably film it again and see how it works out the next time.